Hello and welcome to the new video on GTM, that is Google Tag Manager. My name is Vikash Parikh. I am from W3 Era Web Technologies Private Limited. In this video, we will discuss about the installation of GTM in WordPress. So guys, in this video, we will understand how to create the Google Tag Manager account, how to create containers, and how to connect the Google Tag Manager with our website. So when we talk about connecting the Google Tag Manager with our website, we have to understand which technology being used to create our website. WordPress is giving you three different options to connect the Google Tag Manager with the website. So you have to go to the Google, type in the Google Tag Manager and click on that. It will take you to the Google Tag Manager website, but before that, as I already have created the login already into the Google Tag Manager, I will get this kind of a screen. But when you click on the as you're a first timer, as you're a fresher, you will get this screen, the start for free. You have to click on the start for free. It will ask you to log in, put in the information and get on this page. Okay, in this page you have to click on create account. Okay, so this is the page, this is the details which you have to put in. Let's see what details it is required. In this section, we have to put in our company name. Company might be having many websites or different sections or different departments website. I'll just put in my company name, that is W3 Era India. Alright, I will select India. Then here it is like you want to share the details with the Google or not. It completely depends on you. I will select it and I will go with it. Okay, the container name, as I said, you already have a company, but in that company there are different kind of websites. Like you might be having different businesses as well, like your clothing businesses or your shoes business. Okay, and you might be having some electrical products that you are selling from the business. So you have to select that particular website. Okay, so I'll just put in my website name, that is www.w3era.com. Okay, now as we were talking about to collect the data and the traffic or whatever is happening, whatever I want to track from the website, I will be selecting the web. Okay, and this is for the iOS. If you want to track the data from the iOS apps, this is from the Android apps. Okay, and this you can select when you want to use it to accelerate mobile pages. Okay, and this is available to track the data from the server side measurements. Okay, I will select the web page, the website, and then create. You will get this page. Please go through the terms and conditions of the Google Tag Manager. Okay, here you have to check in, and it says like I also accept the data processing terms as required by GDPR. GDPR means Global Data Protection Regulations, and then click yes. So we had created the container. In container means all kind of codes will be available in that particular container. Now you can see these are the codes which you have to put in the theme section of your WordPress website. Okay, these are the codes. So these are the codes. Now you can see this is the dashboard of the Google Tag Manager. Okay, these are the things which you can look into Google Tag Manager. Here is tags, there are triggers, variables, folders, templates. These are the different options. Okay, so as you can see, like we are not saying our copy like codes again. Okay, so where to find those code again? You have to click on here. There they are. Okay, so here you can see from here you can find if you lost your this code snippets, then you have to click on here. Okay, these are the unique code which we had received when we had created our container. Okay, so you click on here and you will get these codes from here. This is one of the option, and the second option is go to the admin here. Okay, you click on admin and then go to the accounts and click on the install Google Tag Manager here. Click on there. So here you have received your codes again. Okay, in case if you lose your codes, so you will be able to find with these two different ways. All right. So from here, let's copy the codes. As you can read the instructions out here where you have to paste which code. Okay, so this is the code which we have to paste on our head section. I'll just copy it, and then I will go to my dashboard. Okay, so this is the first option which we had mentioned earlier. Okay, like if we have to go to the WordPress dashboard and we have to do it manually, how to do it? So click on appearance and click on theme file editor. Now you have to find out the header.php. Here I can see mine. Click on that. I have to click. Okay, now I have to paste the code which I had copied from my Google Tag Manager, this one. Okay, so I have to find where is the section head. So here you can see this is the section. Okay, I can paste in here, and then I have to go to Google Tag Manager again and copy this section, body section. Okay, then I have to find the body. In this section I can paste my code, the snippet. Okay, I have done it clearly. Alright. So now I have to click on this update file. Click on update file. It is taking time, but yes, it will do. So now it got updated. It means the code been updated in your website. Okay, you have to understand that. Okay, you have pasted your codes in here and you had updated the file. Okay, by clicking out here update file. So as you can understand now. Okay, so like the code been updated in the website. Go to the Google Tag Manager again. But do remember, you only had updated the file, okay, in your website, but it is not alive. It is not live in, okay. Until you click on submit button, your code won't get live, okay. It means you had updated the website with the codes, but they are not live till now because you haven't clicked the submit button out here. So in order to go live, I have to click on submit. Okay, before publishing, I have to put in my version name. So you have to put in the version name. I will put in like GTM web traffic. That's it. So till now what we have done is we only had installed the Google Tag Manager GTM. Okay. Now by clicking on this publish, we are making the tag live. Click on there. Say stand by while we publish your version. So as you can see, our container is live now. Okay, our container is live. Now you can see we have versions. We have two different kind of versions. From here you can see which one you want to publish. All right, you can publish any of them, whichever you wish. Click on the workspace, I believe. Click on workspace. So now we have to check like the code which we have installed and published. Okay, the container is live or not. So go to the website. I'll go to my website, and in order to check the tags, you have to get the Google Tag Manager extension. Google Tag Manager extension. You can have it from this Google only. Google Tag Assistant Legacy by Google. Okay, click on that. Then you will be able to find the extension. Click on add to Chrome. Add extension. This extension will help you understand whether the tag been installed on your website correctly or not. Okay, it is installing and it is getting added on Chrome. Here it is. You can see. Here refresh the page, the website. Click on it again. You will be able to find whether it's live or not. So sometimes it takes times to get uploaded, but here you can see our tag manager with the unique ID 7HXD, okay, which you can see out here, which we have seen before, 7HXD. Okay, go to the website, check it again, scroll down, is 7HXD. So our tag manager is live now, and this is our first way to get your Google Tag Manager in our WordPress website. Okay, so now let's go for the second one. We will install the Google Tag Manager by using plugin. So we have to install by using the plugins. Go to the plugin, okay, add new plugin, find out, and Google Tag Manager. You can see I'm doing the things along with you, okay, so that there should not be any gap, there should not be any skipping point. Okay, so you will be able to find out the Google Tag Manager out here. So in this section you have to find GTM for WordPress. Okay, this is a specific Google Tag Manager plugin for the WordPress by Thomas Giegel. Okay, as you can see, I had already installed this in my WordPress. Alright, so in order to find it, let's go to the settings section, and here you can see the Google Tag Manager. Click on that, click on Google Tag Manager, and here you go. You can see the Google Tag Manager ID, the unique ID. Alright, the unique ID which we had mentioned, like this is our unique ID. Okay, and the easiest way is this: just copy this unique ID, go to the WordPress and paste it here and save changes. Click on save changes. Once you click on that, then only it will get pasted. You don't have to do anything else. This is the best thing, okay, about this plugin. It have loads many other things to track on. You can see here basic data, events, the media events, the general events, and scroll tracking as well. We will understand about different kind of tags in the next videos, in the upcoming videos of W3 era. So in this video what we have learned is, we have learned how to create a Google Tag Manager, how to create containers, what are containers, and how to connect the Google Tag Manager with the WordPress website. Okay, and I must tell you, like, you should not use all three ways, because you will be copying the same code and again from different ways, and it may create mesh. So don't go for that. Choose any of the ways to integrate your Google Tag Manager with your website, with your WordPress website. So as we had installed or integrate the Google Tag Manager with our WordPress website, of course we have to check, okay, whether the website is having the integration properly or not. Okay, so we will just click on preview, copy the website details, paste it your website's URL, then click on connect. It just took your website in a preview mode, the debug mode. Okay, so you can see the tag assistant is connected now, and you can see whether your website is working properly or not. So debug window is closed. I'll just reopen it.